4 weeks after the killing of soldiers in Okwama community in Ugeli South local government area of Delta State, South Nigeria, one question that has been asked severally is what has become of the community and its people. News Central's correspondent Austin Azu in this report brings us answers.
This time, we captured the desolate community from the sky. Every building has been brought down completely, except a place of worship that is still standing. We could not differentiate which belongs to royalty or the commoner. Our same faith has befall all, destruction. We then went in search of the people, though through the towns and villages and even on water. The search took us few days until we are able to locate these 109-year-old women and others. We spoke with them at different locations. The centenarian told us how she was rescued with her daughter from the community.